where to wear perfume, you should apply in warm spot in your body. So behind the ears, on the wrist, in the elbow. Some people even apply behind the knees. And why the warm spot? Because then it evaporates faster and you smell it faster too. A nice trick as well is to apply on the hair, because then when you move your head, you have those beautiful wave of perfume going around you. So that's a nice touch. And then of course you apply on your scarf, on your clothes, and it lasts longer on them. You can smell the next morning usually because it doesn't evaporate as fast. The Valeur Absolue perfume in particular behaves super well on skin, and you should apply on skin because then you get the whole benefits of the active ingredient like the immortelle extract and the magnesium and potassium. So our perfume in particular, of course you can apply on clothes, but apply on skin as well for the total effect. And I think we should always remember what Coco Chanel said. I think it's her. She said you should apply perfume where you want to be kissed.